Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to mark a bill as paid in QuickBooks Online using the updated 2026 layout. So first, let's open up a browser. Just type in quickbooks.com and click Sign In. And go ahead and enter your email and password. And once you land on the dashboard, we're ready to start. Click on Expenses on the left, then Bills. Find the bill you want to mark as paid and choose the payment account you used in real life. Then click Mark as Paid and QuickBooks closes it automatically. If you wrote a check or paid the bill outside QuickBooks, you can also go to New, choose Check or Expense, and link the bill under the Add to this payment section. QuickBooks will mark it as paid once you save, and if your bank account is connected, QuickBooks might match the payment for you automatically. You just click Match. Finally, check the Paid tab under Bills to make sure everything posted correctly. And that's it. That's how to mark a bill as paid in QuickBooks Online for 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide. Hey everyone!